Welcome to the Tech Security Alert channel, and this is a quick video to talk about a little phenomena that is happening that a lot of people get bitten by this scam, and the fact that you can get emails and unsubscribe to them. But here's the catch. So there are two types of emails that come to your inbox, of course. One of them is the regular emails that you have actually, answered some survey, or maybe you went out and they were giving a coffee mug and you entered, you gave your email and so on. And so companies that you buy from and companies that also you've subscribed to newsletters or whatever can send you emails. And what happens is that in these emails, if you wish to stop receiving information from that company, what you do is there's usually in the page a place where it says, if you want to unsubscribe, click here. And that will stop those emails from coming in. The problem is more and more emails have this unsubscribe button, but be warned that it's from emails that you've never subscribed to. So if you get spam, which is unsolicited emails, and you don't wish to get any more of them, do not click the unsubscribe button. Why? Because you didn't ask for them. So you never did subscribe. You can't unsubscribe to something you didn't subscribe. What happens most of the time with these is that the unsubscribe button is actually a way to make sure that your email is actually functional and that you use it, which means you click unsubscribe to a email that you've never, you don't even know where it comes from, and you get 10 times more spam suddenly. Why? Because you just confirmed that that email is valid and works. So be very, very careful not to click unsubscribe to anything that has nothing to do with whatever you're doing that you never asked for, because this is only a way for anyone out there to make sure that that email is valid, used, and that will basically be sending you a lot more spam because of that. So unsubscribe only to the emails that you have subscribed yourself, that you know what it is or who it is behind them. But do not touch the unsubscribe button of emails that you don't know where they come from, because it's going to get worse. It's going to get a lot worse after you do that. If you enjoy my videos, please subscribe, give us a thumbs up. Thank you for watching.